guys, Chlorine King here. Welcome back from the video. I'm here at the client's house. She's having her booster pump leaking out of the front here, and so we're going to take it apart and show you how to fix it. So we'll show you the next step here shortly. All right, guys, so we took the collar off, and normally the culprit is this hose just gets expanded and loose. So what we're going to go ahead and do is cut a piece off, get a fresh connection. You can actually see here it's really expanded and all that, and just allowing water to seep out here. So we're going to put this back together here and see if we solve the leak. Alright, so we got it all repaired now. It was that problem, it was just the hose, so we'll show you here it's not leaking anymore. So that is an easy way to fix the suction or discharge of the booster pump when it's leaking. Like and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day.